Marine Stance. Here's where we talk about all the trending topics, tweets, and everything happening around you. And I tell you this, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. This takes us direct to AZZIAD, the girl who got famous after dancing to the Utawezana song, and RiNGTONE, that is the gospel musician. Apparently, people have questions. Are they really dating? And what happened? Since we're seeing pictures all over the social media of RiNGTONE holding AZZIAD with a pregnancy. But the pregnancy might not be real, since recently, as AZZIAD got famous, we could see that she had a flat tummy. Well, are they dating, or is it just a clout whereby RiNGTONE is creating a platform for him to get famous, to get the attention from the people, and then after this, he can release a hit? Let's wait and see what they were working on. Or is it a relationship? Kenyans on Twitter have really talked about this, and most are asking what happened to RiNGTONE. After recently, he said that he is into ladies with big assets. And now he is with AZZIAD with a big belly, showing she's pregnant. He even carried her. Are they dating, or is it just a clout? Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the like button, and remember to click on the notification bell to get notified the next time we'll be knowing what exactly AZZIAD and RiNGTONE are up to.